megalayapost.news.
So search parties have been dispatched and they are looking for the area. Home Guard volunteers and other locals are assisting the police in.
Kalong ka kubor ke basngsi ya ki bahayang basam bat ki bait bathon hakaba tang hadin bakila pendep ya ka jingat ho shongkurim haka kharwai tarik ujumang arajar arpsan kini ki sijur kilawan kai sangba shaka jala meghlya ban shangkai pengat shasara Henry kini ki sijur kilaja arngai no naduk arphlai tarik ujumang arajar arpsan hadin bakila poi shasara bat haduk menta baladep riu singilinter palap din satya ya kini ki sijur sha ki jar arngai Kini ki sijur ki belawan kai sangha syasara ki kentup yu raja Raghuvanshi lai pau senam ka kerta bat ka kurim jingu ka sonam Raghuvanshi ka ba arpnyo senam ka kerta par kalong pat ka khubor ka basongsi tang hadin shi singi bakilawan poi ha maulakiat kata ha ka arpa artarik ujemang arjar pesan pada ka simbobot pat kilaja no baro sijur klem datip shu shanu kiaja Halor kini ki jingja kini ki sijur Menteri Rangba ke Madhya Pradesh Dr. Mahan Yadav ula tuklar halor kini ki jingja kini ki sijur ban kerpat no Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya kondot ki sangma wonshim kya lem manwat ya kiti sijur batru nakaleng Menteri Rangba ke Jela kondot ki sangma ula penting kana baga sarkar kan shim kya banwat ya kiti sijur balaja la yo ru banyakran bot UDIG ka Eastern Range Davis R Marak hakaba ula pen pau baga jingwat ya kiti sijur ki balaja syasara keladang ya chkmat banakaleng ki bor pulit bat kiwe ki bor bade pedru kilai menta ban pelong ya kejingwat ke bajur ban lap ya ketik sijur ki belaja bar kembalong haduk menta kimpat lap satya shano ketik sijur ki ja
The latest update is that the police we have found the abandoned scooty at Sorarim and apparently the tourists they had gone on a trek by themselves and they have apparently been missing. So search parties have been dispatched and they are looking for the area. Volunteers and Home Guard volunteers and other locals are assisting the police in the search operations. And the SP has informed me that he is organizing a bigger search tomorrow. And that is the latest on this case. No, nothing has been located. Only the scooty which was taken on hire from Shillong. That scooty has been recovered and it was recovered from Sorarim. Apparently this was a scooty which was taken by the tourist who went to Sora, and that this scooty was recovered from Sorarim. But where from Sorarim, where did they go for a trek or what, that has to be ascertained as of now. So search parties are looking for the missing persons.
megalayapost.news